What's going on, guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. Thank you for tuning into the stream, whether you're live, whether you are tuning in after the fact. We're going to be recapping a bunch of stuff. Couldn't make the morning 10 a.m. stream. I woke up with the craziest sore throat, but it seems to be getting better. So we're going to give you guys a couple minutes to join up, say what's up, and then we're going to be getting into things. But we've got a bunch of movers. We've got FSD Pharma down, but it's actually holding on to quite a bit of they're pulling back is what I'm trying to say here. So give me 2 seconds. Whoa. Good morning, Yolanda. How are you today? My throat, as I said, my throat's a little bit messed up, but I've got my tea and honey and one coffee, but yeah, so we're seeing a red day finally for the markets. We've been calling this, whether it happened at 2780, 2800. We're seeing a pullback finally. So, what's up, Doug? Hold on a sec. Let me get the chat going. That's a little bit better. What's up, Dan? How to read volume index. Not too sure about that. Do you think we will see the cannabis stocks cool down to December numbers? If the market decides to tank again, I think that's the only way we're going to see. I think the only way we're going to see the stocks cool down to December numbers is if we see the markets completely tank again, which we could see definitely see a pullback. But we'll see. Just give me 2 seconds. I just got to load this up. All right. Yes, sir, Christ Energy is up. We just sold it today. And we'll be talking about that in 2 seconds. I'm very happy about that. Oh my gosh. We'll take a look at Chiron Life Sciences to see what's popping. Chiron is down again. Looks like we might be putting in some support around that $2.50 range. I'm just afraid after $1.50 to $2.50. I feel like we could get more of a sell-off. What up, Moner Beats? What up, Steven? What's up, Andrew? Nadav? 10K in Aurora Cannabis right now. If that's all your money, I would not put all of your money allocated towards ACB in at one time. My opinion is, personally, I think, ACB looks pretty nice at 10. Could it drop to 9? Could. And I would be buying incrementally and patiently. That's how. That's a good piece of advice: is be patient and buy patiently. Damn, we noticed a big drop off of viewers. Hit that like button, guys. Anybody new to the stream, thank you. We're gonna be talking first about the markets. So there was an article, Wall Street. Oh, of course, my browser is all messed up. Sorry about that. Let's just go back here. I want to go back to our portfolio, but we do have an article for you guys. Wall Street extends slide on Trump report. She meeting unlikely before the deadline. Howdy, Mojave Johnson. What's up, Tom? You made it to my stream. Awesome. So U.S. stocks extended losses on Thursday after a CNBC report said that the meeting between Trump and Xi was highly unlikely. So, like we were talking about, if you guys watched our stream last night, me and Tom, we were talking about how we think the market rally's overextended. And, something was probably going to bring it down eventually. Whether this is just a bump in the road and then we'll see it move back up, we'll see. But, I mean, we're definitely seeing a big red day. Wall Street was already off to a weak start as fears of global slowdown resurfaced. It's every other week. Things are amazing. Things are slowing down. Things are amazing. Things are slowing down. Oh, that's just the way the markets are. So this is a very short article, but yeah, we're seeing a heavy sell-off. I feel like the markets were just waiting for a reason to sell off, so this is what I expected. And all we've been doing is selling selling a portion of risk, taking profit, and buying into defensives the entire way up. Sorry about my voice, guys. If I sound rather raspy, but so guys, we're going to recap the cannabis sector now. Actually, first let's just take a look and see what the indexes are actually doing. Oops, those are the futures. Okay. We'll tell you what we bought, we'll tell you what we sold today and what we're potentially going to be buying. So we're seeing the VIX. Of course, the VIX jumped 14%. Then we're seeing the NASDAQ sell off 1.67%, S&P down 1.5%, Dow down 1.3%. Superstore, Tom, amazing channel. I see all the videos. Hello, Aaron and room. What's going on, Steven? Nice to have you in the room. As always, talk to us about your trades. Anything that you're looking at right now. So we're going to move on to the cannabis stocks now. We're seeing Green Growth Brands and Kronos, the number 2 leaders of the day, followed by Heritage Cannabis. Suniva is actually putting in a decent bit of gains. Bought that yesterday just around 450, so I thought it was a pretty good buy around there. We'll see if it holds. MedMen also in the green, just a little bit. Holding on to $4. We did buy it a little prematurely. I forget where we bought it at, 430, but still hanging in there. Relentless, Wayland, Golden Leaf Holdings, tons of stocks flat and a lot of stocks declining just a couple percent. The biggest loser on the day is FST Pharma. As you guys know, they fired their CEO and terminated the agreement with Oxy Cannabis. So 2 negatives. And Oxy's down as well, down 8.33%. Actually looking to pick up shares of both those companies, maybe just 500 or $1,000 of each. Namaste as well. I'm looking to pick up Namaste under $1. Oxy will have an extra 40 million cash or so since they terminated the contract. I think I like Oxy's business model. I love the streaming approach to, that's not the right company. I like the streaming approach. The stock has not done very well, but definitely thinking about adding more at these suppressed levels. Oxy has a ton of business or a ton of partnerships, so it's hard to say. And is a good buy. I will pick it 200 shares. They might go to 94 cents. Did not buy Blueberry Medical. So yeah, guys, like I said, I'm looking to buy Namaste, but I'm looking to buy under $1. That's the next step for me. Bought it a couple days before it dropped after the CEO, but it was okay because I think we only put $500 in. So it was more of a, we took like 10K of profit off of Bank of America, and I just added to a bunch of our other positions. So happy I sold Bank of America. That was a good sell. BAC is down to $28 now, I think. Oxley stock hasn't done very well. Like, look at the stock price. It hasn't done very well. If you bought after the initial pop, that's what I'm trying to say. But we'll take a look one more time for you. What is up with this browser? So since, yeah, I mean, we're sitting at the lowest levels it's seen. This is the lowest it's been since 2017, 2018, obviously in December we dipped a little bit lower than that, down to what, 62 2 cents, but yeah, the stock is at its lows. That's what I mean. It hasn't done very well. It's done well when it ran up in 2008. I mean, if you bought it at 80 cents up to 260, but that's not the biggest of runs I've seen in terms of cannabis stocks. Gotta be patient with Oxley, I guess. They've got the right business model, I think, though. What's up, Ryan? Why is my chat delayed so much? So, want to buy some FSD Pharma. I just don't know if now is the right time or we're going to continue to, excuse me, fall off a cliff. What do you guys think? I'll take questions in a couple minutes. There's a couple things I want to talk about. Do you kind of like FSD Pharma under 30 cents? What's up, Dave? Thank you for your kind comments. Hit that like button if you like this stream, of course. And I've not hit the doctor yet. I've been my own doctor, but in honesty, I'm feeling better. My throat's just sounds bad. I started off the week. Monday, couldn't sleep. Tuesday, got a crazy fever. Wednesday, no fever, sore throat. Today is Wednesday. Thursday. Today, still sore throat. Energy levels are back. Appetite's back. So we're on the mend, guys. Oh, shoot. I'll be fine. Just need to get through this. I've got a couple cool and interesting medicines, though. I've got these candies. They literally have silver inside of them. Like, I forget what it's called, but it's got silver in there, which is an antimicrobial, antiviral, and this liquid, it's liquid silver in water, of course, and it kills all the bacteria, so it works really well. So I'm on the mend anyways. So the stock of the day today, guys, and this is something that I got to talk about because we just sold it and I'm so happy. Shoot, what's it called? Cryas Energy Trust. This stock has been all over the place. We're seeing it up today, up 36%. Just got bought out by a bigger energy company in an all-cash deal for $7.57 per share. So we just took our profits on it today. And the thing about Cryas, where was it? Let's see here. This company's been on a crazy ride. So pays a 15% dividend. It was paying almost 20% down at $4. Now, not that it really matters, but we'll give you guys a little bit of background info on the company. So they were basically like an energy services provider, kind of utility company selling power to different parts of Canada and America. Then they got into the solar power business and it went downhill, lost a crap load of money on the solar business. We saw the stock slide. I forget, bought it somewhere in and around $5-6. Then it started to do good, collect a couple dividends, crashed hard, and then it started to recover again, back up to that $5 range, and then they got bought out. So whatever, collected about 10 or 15% of dividends, and then we got that nice 25% premium on the buyout. So not a bad one, but yeah, I'm happy about this one, but I am looking to buy Extendicare today. So I'm super bullish on power utilities, all those kind of service providers. But even more so, I like long-term care, retirement facilities, and REITs. So Extendicare is one on my list, paying 6.4% dividend. Also looking at Sienna Senior Living. Looking to take some of that money from Cryas and put it into these safe ones. Potentially some FSD Pharma. But that's a whole nother story. going to NASDAQ will help Invictus? Hard to say. Invictus. Wait a sec. Invictus MD? That's what you're talking about? Why do I always confuse Invictus with Ianthus Capital? Hard to say, hard to say. Need to do more research about that company. I don't like to give opinions when I don't know much about it. Sorry. Anybody see the story about hemp that got stopped in Idaho? Apparently Idaho doesn't differentiate between hemp and cannabis. Jeez. Thanks a lot, Ryan. Yeah, it's a lot better. A lot more people tune into my live streams now. Happy that you guys like them. Last night, me and Tom, we had like 170 people. It was like sick. This is awesome. So, I want to look at Ianthus Capital because they just bought MPX, right? So, damn, this stock's too expensive for me. I don't like that. We do. Thanks for your hard work and info. My pleasure, man. This is just what I do. I just every day it's what I do. Done it for so long. Now I have some company. You guys can keep me company, and we can learn together. Cause yeah, what up, Trav? Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, Doug. Last night I was really, not only was I impressed by the turnout in terms of the people, but me and Tom had a great conversation. I felt like we instantly just like, we just had this flow that was, it was just super like chill, and definitely would do another live stream with Tom the Trader. It was a really nice talk. MGNX was the chain yesterday. Sorry about the coughing, guys. You already know my situation. So I want to look at our shopping list. Thank you so much, Ryan, for donating that $2. I'll put it towards my cough candy fund so I can keep making these videos, but I appreciate it. Shout out to Ryan. Any donation counts, guys. Thank you so much. When they say the stock is up 9% that day, do they mean the percentage it grew from when it opened? So, yep. So about the 9% gain, it's from yesterday's closing price. Usually, like, whatever it closed at yesterday, and then whatever it opened at the next day, that's the gain. So it's okay. It's not a dumb question. Doesn't matter. Everybody in this stream, whether you're a hedge fund manager, professional trader, or you've never bought a stock in your life, it doesn't matter. There's no dumb question, guys. No one's better than another person. Fam, did you hear about Oxy and FSD? It's crazy what's going on. Yes, I did. And I'm almost looking at buying FSD. It was FSD or MedMen on Monday. So I was like, or was it Monday? I can't remember. This week's been kind of a blur. But we bought MedMen. Might have been on Friday even. I can't remember. But I was asking you guys, FSD or MedMen? And you guys told me to buy MedMen. So thank God I bought MedMen and not FSD. Alright, guys. We just got Friday. Thank you, Lucas. Just got confirmation we're going to be buying 2 more stocks. The ask is at 74 cents now. They blaming each other yesterday. FSD fire Oxy. That's crazy. Well, they fired their CEO, so it seems to be a new trend in the industry. Just, fire your CEO. Everything's going to be fine. Look at this, guys. FSD, Oxley, and Namaste. Top 3 losers on the day. I want to buy all 3 of them. Damn, I want to put $500 in all 3 of them just to get some more cheap shares. I don't know. We'll see though. Endeavor Silver, First Majestic Silver, Alamos Gold. We're seeing a bunch of decliners today. Kirkland Lake Gold. Don't want to touch that one right now. Too expensive for me. Sean Dillinger crying on Midas. Are you serious? I didn't see that. Canadian Utilities. Ooh, I like this one. Been buying some Canadian Utilities. What else we got here? International Canada Brands holding on to that 12-cent level. Let's see what's in the green today, guys. On our shopping list. Gluskin Chef. Really concerned about that company, but it's been making a nice recovery. Brookfield Property Partners. We just bought this stock on Monday or Tuesday. Good buy on that one. First Mining Gold. I'm talking about that. Didn't buy it. Tetra Bio. No thanks. Nice. ACB's doing well. Hexo. Suniva's doing good. Barrick Gold. This stock's going to $20 in my opinion. Extendicare. We are buying this stock today. Where's Sienna Senior Living? Gotta add it to the list. See, we are buying this one too. I want to buy Canadian Utilities though. Been creeping on your channel for some weeks now. Finally out of the closet. What trading platform do you suggest for a U.S. investor to buy in Canada? Shoot, that's a tough question. Robinhood doesn't offer it. I know a lot of my American viewers use Robinhood. TD Ameritrade might be a good idea because, well, TD is a Canadian bank, so I don't know much about American trading platforms, unfortunately. But your best bet might be to check out TD Ameritrade. Just because, well, TD is a Canadian bank, so that kind of makes sense. But I could be completely wrong, so sorry. Do you think that Tetra is a bad buy? I lost 25%. See, then we always get into the debate of, you know, is it oversold? Did they overreact? How bad is the news actually? That kind of thing I'm pretty cautious about. So I don't know. Personally, I'd be a little bit concerned about Tetra Biopharma. If you want to gamble, might be an idea, but yeah, I'd be very cautious. So, okay, anyways, guys, we are going to buy some, just 2 quick stocks right here. What is going on, my computer? That's sick. For real? Sorry about that, guys. I don't know. We lost you. That's like super lame. Are you guys still there? Oh my gosh. RIP. I thought we were gonna like lose you guys completely and then this stream was gonna post. Last time it posted twice, it really pissed me off. FSD will recover. It was down to 26 cents. Back to 30 cents. You're half back. Your camera is frozen. Okay, cool. Well, we survived. Alright guys, so let me just make these 2 trades real quick. Just gotta buy some Extendicare and some Sienna Senior Living. So hopefully this doesn't freeze this again. Man, I don't know what's going on with this thing. Firefox be messing up all day. What browsers? Oh my gosh, what browsers do you guys use? Yeah, I think it was the internet. You know what, guys? I'll just purchase it on my phone real quick, so we can avoid any more technical difficulties. Give me 2 seconds to make these trades, and then we'll just we can have a talk about a bunch of different stuff. Weed stocks. We'll just leave that up there for you guys. Okay, perfect. Just gonna pick up a couple quick shares of Extendicare. Shoot, what's the ticker symbol? EXE. That's pretty cool. Extendicare. Who says we should buy some FSD Pharma today? Is it the time? All right, one order down. Live trades are gorgeous. Chrome, Android, Firefox just had an upgrade. That's probably why. Anyone like Hexocorp? Yes, sir, we like Hexocorp. Hexocorp's been like on our watch list for such a long time, but just so damn expensive. Because it's a good stock. At $4, that thing was a steal. Just my opinion. Hexo was a steal at $4. Okay, let's buy this. Buy. Last trade. We are all finished. Okay. I'm back, guys. I'm back in action. Whoa, sorry about that. Who wants me to say okay Google? Perfect. All right, so what did we just buy? We just bought Extendicare and Sienna Senior Living. We just bought those two, and we just sold Cryos Energy Trust. How many phones do you have? I've got 2 phones. The only drugs we're dealing are the drugs that ACB sells. Not Enercare. Extendicare. Extendicare pays a better dividend. Yeah, bro, I friggin' love retirement homes. When I was like 15 years old, I was like, I'm gonna buy a retirement home one day. Yo, senior sector makes money. There's no questioning that. Just wait 5 to 10 years, and you're gonna see how that sector is going to explode. That's all I'm doing right now is loading up on every single stock that's tied to this senior and long-term care facilities. We just bought Extendicare, Sienna Senior Living, Northwest Healthcare Properties. Well Tower. Just wait. Mark my words. 5 to 10 years from now, which is my horizon, it's going to be crazy. So the baby boomers are going to be the cash cows because they have the money right now and they're going to need the care and they're going to be spending on the care. So just wait and see. I'm a cannabis investor, but nothing beats the long-term potential. It's basic economics. Basic economics. Yep. People in Canada, so it's a good business. Rich people in Canada retiring and youngsters don't take care of their parents. Dividend chasing, thanks. Tell me all the big players in senior home space. Why are you so bullish on senior? I'm so bullish on senior because I just said why I'm so bullish on senior living. The baby boomers are getting older, basically. Like my dad's like 60. He's in awesome shape. He's like the exception, but think about it. Some people when they're 60, when they're 70, like they're not in good shape. They need care. And they're going straight into those retirement homes. When the baby boomer generation flips over, there's going to be such an abundance of people that need care. It's going to be crazy. So like these retirement homes are just going to keep making money. So that's why we're loading up on them. I don't care if it takes 5 years, 10 years. Going to be laughing at that time because when you put those stocks on a drip, they already pay nice dividends. So, what's up with the Blue Apron? What's the Blue Apron? Damn. You know, one can say that there's lawsuits, all that kind of stuff. Oh yeah, guys, there's almost 100 people in the room. So hit that like button if you haven't hit the like button already. So that's something that comes along with every sector. There's lawsuits, there's things that cost money. But, you know, let's look at the basic economics of the sector. There's going to be an abundance of people who need care. That's such a highly profitable niche. Yes, you need to hire and train and pay care workers and nurses and doctors and all that stuff that costs a lot of money. But as long as I don't have to deal with staffing and all that stuff and I can just buy a company that can do all that stuff for me, then it's good for me. And look at this stock. This is just one stock. I mean, it's not every stock's done this, but look at Welltower, guys. Look at Welltower. Ridiculous. This was like the first long-term care facility stock that that I bought. Probably just timed it right. I mean, the stock was paying almost 10% at the time, but bought it at 50 some bucks. Now we're at 70 some bucks. And look what happened throughout the whole crash. I mean, it just went up. So I like defensive stocks. I like dividend stocks, and I like stocks that the good fundamentals over the next 5 to 10 years. I don't know anything about Invictus, fortunately. Get rich off the old. Hey, I mean, those companies need investors, right? So I'm supporting them. And if they pay me some returns, I'll take it. Would you invest in platinum? I don't know much about platinum. I mean, it's a precious metal. If it performs like gold, which I assume it does, then yeah, I would. But if you've got any companies that mine platinum, that'd be pretty interesting. Platinum's one metal that I don't know much about. I know a bunch about gold, silver, bit about copper. Don't know much about platinum. I'd like to learn more. Lithium, we own some lithium companies that haven't performed well. Hard to say right now. Hard to say for lithium. I think Ianthus buying MPX was great. What, the sound's not working now? Holy smokes, guys. What is up with the stream? Is that true or not? What about Aurora? New Age Metals, but the share price is not performing. Copper doing great last few weeks. Also got a question about US oil and gas. Okay, good. I think oil's gonna recover if the market holds its ground. If we start, okay, good. If we keep seeing a sell-off, though, oil's gonna come down with it too. Just oil moves with the markets. I like the big oil players. Canadian oil patch is beat up to crap. Here's our oil and gas stock portfolio, though. OMG. Wow, Precision. What do you know, guys? Canadian oil patch getting killed again. Precision Drilling, Crescent Point. If I was investing in oil now, I don't like to invest that much USD just because we're selling a lot of USD for Canadian, but I'd buy Shell, Exxon, Chevron, BP. I just stick with the big guns. Hard to say, Mike. I mean, it could, but I'll take the money now. I'll take the money now and diversify it. I mean, it's just, yeah. I definitely wouldn't buy Cryos right now. They were bought out for $7.57 per share. Enthusiast Gaming. We'll take a look. I like the gaming stocks right now. I like Activision Blizzard and EA just because they're so cheap. Yeah. Didn't really check. Let's see here. Jeez. I don't know what to say, guys. It doesn't even tell us what the market cap is. Yikes. Tom North just hit mark, I think. Let's see. Sorry, guys. We're going to move away from that stock. I don't know much about it. Have to do more research. But feel free to drop me some comments or links or whatevs. What's up, Duarte? Nice to see you. You know, I always remember you because your face is unforgettable and it's so easily viewable in even the tiniest thumbnail. Damn, that's awesome. The big news is the markets are down and Trump might not meet Xi before the deadline. That is the big news of the day. 48 North is still climbing. Damn, this stock's on a tear. Yep. That's awesome though. 48 North. 48 North killing it. Oh man, ACB is not pulling back. Even on a red day, ACB in the green. Looks like we're going to keep running. I would still not be buying Cron. I mean, just my opinion. Don't take my advice for it. If the markets keep running Cron's gonna keep going up, but yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I would only trade Cron, and it'd be one of those things where you buy on a red day and sell on a green day, and it's like flipping a coin. Kind of want to buy more Oxley and start a position in FSD. Oxley's looking cheap right now. 83 cents? Jeez. Let's see if Huge sells off into the close. If Huge sells off into the close, I'm going to pick up some. Come on, let's go. Yeah, I know, right? Like, if they're not gonna do anything with it, then just keep making craft dinner. Like, I don't know why they stopped. Got the new kind of sharp cheddar craft dinner. They got that Alfredo craft dinner. Should I? Sorry, man, I can't comment whether you should buy or sell. So, don't ask me. But have not been taking any losses. Yeah, I think FSC gonna get bought at some point. Damn, guys, it's hard to say though. What did FSD? Jeez. So FSD opened the day at 33 cents. No way. Is that for real? Or is that old chart? Buy in the red, sell in the green. Flip a coin, that's right. Go play roulette. Same deal. Just joking. Hard to say for FSD. I don't know, looks like we're trending sideways. If we go back down on the day, which unfortunately, guys, anybody who is holding on to this stock, I feel bad, but just personally, I want it to go back down to 20 some cents and then I'll buy it. But like I said, I feel bad for my peoples who are holding on to it. We hold on to some losers too. Don't you worry about that. We hold on to Oxley in the 90s, like the 90-cent range. Damn. You bought FSD yesterday? Shoot, man. Can't time them all. I bought Namaste a couple days before it tanked, so it is what it is, but I want to buy more. I want to buy Namaste, FSD, and Oxley. Maybe in the next day or two. Excuse me. Really hard to say. Hope we continue. Hope we can make some of those gains. Make some kind of recovery. So guys, it's like 43 minutes. It's been fun. I got to run. I got to do a couple things. I'm trying to hit the gym, maybe the sauna, and try and get better before my next video. So, yeah, so I apologize. I got to bounce. But, yeah, so hit me up in the comments or in our market minutes or that kind of stuff. We'll let you guys know what else we're looking at buying or selling, or any potential news that's in the cards that's going to move the sector. But for now, I'm out of here, guys. We'll give you 2 more minutes to hit the like button and drop any more comments. I'll answer a couple more comments. It's all good. I'll just hang out here for a little bit. Can America any news? Sometimes you got to cut your losses. Take care. Yes, sir. I got to get this throat in check. Oh. Thanks, man. Saline wash peppermint. I'll keep that in mind. Yep. Thank you, Steven. Number one stock pick for all sectors. I can't even answer that right now, honestly. I can't say ACB. Yeah, hit the like, guys. WTF. Honestly, man, that's such a hard question. I'd need to really put some thought into that. So, sorry. No, man. Not enough cannabis, maybe. Go ACB. All right, guys. So thanks for all the support. Yeah, hopefully I'll get better. I'm gonna get some cough candies, some more honey, some more peppermint. So out of here, guys. Feel free to tune in to my market minutes later on today, as we post every day about the markets. We'll see what happens. So I'm out, guys. Thanks so much.